Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix blades not spinning on your MOVA ViAX 500. If the blades don't spin, flip the robot over and clean it. That's basically the only solution you can do if they're not spinning. To clean it, rinse it with running water from a hose. Make sure it's not high pressure as that could damage the robot or blades, so use medium or low pressure. Try getting all the dirt out of the blades and the spinning disc, and that should help. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.